Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the blade and priming in black or neutral gray so reflections read clearly. Once primed, remove flash and mask the handle. This prevents accidental glazing. You then lay down a thin, even base coat. Use a metallic or dark green base depending on your final scheme. Thin paints one to avoid obscuring detail. Make sure to keep brush strokes in one direction and check edges at arm's length for uniform coverage before moving on. You now build depth. Apply mid-tone metallics in thin layers, allowing each coat to dry so the sheen reads smoothly. This gives reflection without pooling. Once stable, glaze selective areas with translucent green or blue to create that eerie Necron glow. Thin glazes into recesses so reflections remain. Then switch to a small brush and pull bright silver along the very edge to simulate a sharp catch. Make sure transitions are soft where needed. You finish by deciding gloss level. Use satin for subtle sheen or gloss to sell reflective metal. Then protect the paint with thin, even varnish coats. Add controlled weathering. A small sponge or fine brush for chips near the hilt and a tiny dark wash in recesses to lift contrast. Once done, step back and inspect for runs or pooled varnish. If glaze or runs dull the edge, reapply a quick matte glaze to blend. Then re-highlight the razor edge with bright silver to restore sharpness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.